The Robo Show system is the first computer-controlled visual and 3D sound production and playback system. It can drive multiple sources to multiple outputs and can synchronize sound and vision precisely, both in time and space, and is interactive. That means it reacts to you.
System production involves the producing of the complex hardware that controls the show. It involves producing the software that is going to run the show and producing the software that enables non-computer people to actually produce and design material to run on the complex hardware. This is the first stage. This is the user-friendly interface to enable designers to program a show.
The storyboard is the agreed design and creative content of the show. Ultimately, the show will never be an exact rendition of the show on paper, the storyboard. However, this is the basis to which all areas will refer for their individual budgeting and production plans. These independent satellites of production are then pulled together during the edit and mix processes. Storyboarding is a collective activity where all the different skills are pulled together in a creative brainstorming process.
Most of the music is originated on computer musical instruments because, apart from anything else, it allows them to talk to each other, and the language MIDI that they use can also talk to our system. Now, once Pete and Phil and Patrick have come up with some music, we then have to decide how we want to spatialise it, where we want to put the instruments.
Here we've included a wide variety of different visual mediums. We've got large panoramics like this to get panoramic effects. We've used film with anamorphic lenses and slides, video disc, model making. We did shots with a motion control rig over a model, and all these enable us to complement the audio, which is going to be going around in the auditorium.
I'm running a few tests on the EV block. The EV block is the device which controls the audio and videotape recorders and keeps them synchronised. And what I'm doing here is a series of tests in order to improve its performance.
The compilation process draws together the music structures and the video edit and the libraries that we have of matrix sequences into the final show format.
And why put the sequence in?
The relationship of the screens to the monitors and the speakers, and also, more important, the relationship of them all to the audience, is very important, so that when we're in the final playback arena, as it were, the relationship and the experience is just right. When we have all this equipment up, we dry soak it and pre-test it, and then we use the simulator to create libraries of mixes between the screens and the speakers and the monitors. The ones that we choose in the end, that we feel have the right feel, we then put back into the edit decision list and the mix decision list, and then create a whole range of different mixes we can use for different effects at any one time.